Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how to get started with using Asana. Everything from downloading the program, creating your account, and creating your own first basic project. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works for you too and that you can get easily started with using this program. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to asana.com and enter their official website. When entering their website, you will be greeted by the main page. As you can see here, this is the main page of their website. So guys, after going to asana.com, the next thing we want to do is firstly create our account. So to do that, you want to go here in the upper right corner and see the black button called Get Started. You want to click on this button right here to create your account. After creating this account, as you can see, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to sign up. So guys, go ahead and enter your email that you want to use for the account, either your company email or your personal email, depending if you can use it or not. So guys, go ahead and type in your email and then click sign up. After clicking on sign up, you will be sent a confirmation email to your email account, and you will just have to confirm there that that is actually your email, and then you will be able to enter your password. After doing that, you're already set and go, and you'll have created your account that you can use with the program. So guys, let's close this, and let's say that you have just created your account. The next thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and download the program, and you will do that by doing the following. You want to go with your mouse over here onto the Features tab. As you can see here, guys, on top of page, we are going to click on Features. Clicking on Features, this also opens up this tab, which gives us a lot of options that we can choose and what we want to enter and open, depending on what we need. Today, guys, for this tutorial, to download the application, you'll want to go to this option called Desktop and Mobile Apps, and you want to click on this option right here. So guys, clicking on this, you will be seeing that we are greeted by this page right here, Asana for all your screens, where you will be able to download Asana for every platform that you need, for Windows, for iOS, and for Android. Sadly, I don't think that it exists for Mac. So guys, as you can see, here is the Asana for Windows. We will want to go, depending if you have a 32-bit computer or 64-bit, you will want to click on the button that you need. As you can see, guys, clicking on the download 40-bit starts the download in our Internet Explorer, and now after the download is finished, we'll be able to start the program file and install the file. Clicking on this, guys, as I have already installed this Asana program, I will not be able to install it again, but just go through the steps, clicking next and entering your login credentials, and you will install the program in less than a minute. It is very easy. When installing the program, you will be greeted by this main page here, as you can see, as I am. So yeah, guys, after entering Asana for the first time, this is the main page you will be greeted by. Actually, I think this is the main page you will be greeted by, as you will have to create your basic project to get started, and this is the page that you'll be greeted by. As you can see here, guys, here are all the options on the left side of the screen that we have, such as Home, My Task, Inbox, where you can see all the messages that you have, My Task, or all the tasks that you have assigned for this week, reporting, portfolio, so on, so on. So guys, that is just basically how Asana looks and how to get started with downloading and opening. You can watch our other videos to see how to start a basic project and how to start a basic task and so on and so on, how to create all the things that you need in this Asana program. So guys, I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos on Asana to find out more. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.